Welcome back to the channel, Capturing Life as It Happens. So I just got to the campground, and it's in the middle of nowhere. It's at the Delaware State Park, and it's completely off the grid. So I kind of got here a little bit late. I actually have about 30 minutes before sunset. So I have to try to set up really quick before the sun actually goes down. So I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible. Bella is already checking out everything. Right, Bells? You checking out everything? So it is so cold out here. It's about 36 degrees and the tent is frozen. And I kind of had a little hard time trying to put it together, trying to inflate it because it would inflate to one side. So I had to remove all the air and do it over again. So let's get this going, guys. Good morning, Bells. How are you? Good morning, guys. So it's about 7 o'clock this morning, and it has already begun to snow. And sunrise was about 7:49, I think it is, today. But it's cloudy, and there was no sun. Well, there was sunrise, but you couldn't see anything because of the clouds. So it has already begun to snow, and I looked up the weather forecast for today, and they said it's supposed to be between 3 and 7 inches of snow. So it's going to be a very interesting day today. So Bella and I, we're going to be in the tent, nice and cozy. We're going to cook some food. I don't think we're going to be really doing anything much outside, but we're gonna cook some food, and we're gonna chill, maybe watch a movie, and we're gonna have a good time. Check it out. She loves the snow. Come on, girl. Bella, what you looking for? You like the snow? Hmm? Do you like the snow? Do you like the snow, girlie? Hmm? Do you like the snow? It's gonna be a lot of snow today. Come this way. Got one for me, and we got one for Bella. All right, breakfast is served. Let's pray. All right, so we have steak, we have avocado, we have some eggs, mushroom with spinach, and we have the cucumber with the tomatoes. Bella has her steak over there. Come on, Bells, eat. You're not hungry? Come on, eat. So I was thinking of cooking something else later. I have some chicken. So I was thinking of maybe doing a soup later, but I mean with all of this now, right now it's about 11:15. After eating all of this, I think that might just be my meal for the day. And maybe later on I might just have some fruits. I have some grapes, some pineapple, and I have some cashew nuts. And I think that's it for me for the entire day until tomorrow. Come on, Bells, eat. Eat your steak. You not hungry? Eat. Wow, looks like there's at least 5 to 6 inches of snow already.
Billion Visions presents photos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next adventure.